2 floppy disks that don't work. And they're not wrong, they are pretty floppy. Piece of cloth, ugh. Surprised it isn't eradicated from being this old. Wow, formatted for IBM. I don't even think they're in business anymore. I could be wrong now. The fancy discs. What I will say is that it's impressive how we went from this to what do we have now? Like just solid state and flash. Products were cheap from the start, that's for sure. It's rubberized plastic. The most annoying of plastic. The fancy disc. I don't feel like ripping that up. It's the end of those.